Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is a stay-at-home grandma, and I've got one more review for you. I've got the Alex Craft jewelry and suppliers, and this is what they sent me. They sent me 12 chains in silver, and I'm going to open them because I'm going to put them on the chain rack. And I really like these chains. I was really very happy to get them. So we're going to review. Well, they got them in packages. Well, I don't blame them for that. So these are the packages they come in. These are 18-inch, I believe, but they're really nice because they sent me, I think, some rose gold ones the last time. I'm going to pour these out. I'll show them to you. Well, this is a nice silver chain, and they got balls on them. Okay, now I understand what that means. I'm going to unravel these together. I think these are gorgeous. Oh. These are the beads, and they're all twisted. I know what this is. I know why. But I'm going to untwist them because I'm going to put them on my rack so I can get them and use them. These are going to be really nice to use. So these are the chains. Can you see that? They have little balls on them. Can you see those? Those are really nice. So, and they have the little clasp there. Those are going to be really nice. I'm going to hang these over here on this side. So I'm going to take these off and hang this right here. So those are really nice. I like them. And they have a nice shine to them too. I really like that. So, if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will talk to you later. I will leave the information in the book, in my I'll leave the information in you know where. I'm tired. All right, I love you all. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.